Hey everyone, it's Nicole. Welcome back to my channel. So today, as you can tell by the title, we are talking about this brand here. So this is the brand, the Silver Collective. This is a brand that I had actually never heard of, but after I had my son, I knew that I wanted something with his initial on it, and we'll get into that in a second, but let's talk about packaging. I know this is all over the place. Packaging. So I really like how simple and sleek and just really nice this is. So the experience I had was actually super positive. I went into their store in Parramatta and the store is stunning. The staff are so beyond helpful. So I was really happy with what I experienced, and I actually did an exchange and the whole process was seamless. So I absolutely cannot recommend checking out this store and this brand. So in the little bag you will get this envelope here, which is just a receipt. So I don't need to show you that. No, I don't need to show you that. And then the actual items come in these boxes here. So you can see it says the Silver Collective here, which again, super simple, super sleek. I really like it. So let me read you about what I purchased. So what I have is the A to Z necklace in silver, and it is 925 sterling silver. It has white cubic zirconias, rhodium plated. The pendant sizes obviously vary from each letter, but it's estimated at 8 millimeters. The chain length is 41 centimeters plus a 2.5 centimeter extension. It is lead and nickel free. So as I said, I actually did a return. I purchased the bracelet to begin with. Now, I wear this Tiffany bracelet constantly. I never take it off. And I quickly realized I didn't want the bracelet because it was getting tangled in this. I'm not a necklace person whatsoever. I never wear necklaces, and I just feel like they're not for me. But as I said, I wanted something, so I exchanged the bracelet for the necklace. And can I just say, I picked this up in December and I have not stopped wearing it since. I took it off just to show you it in the packaging. Otherwise, I absolutely love it. So this is the necklace here. Let me just put that bit away. So as you can see, super simple. I've had a lot of people think that it is like diamond, which it is super shiny and really beautiful and simple. But yeah, as I said, because I don't want wear necklaces a lot, I just wanted something really dainty, and this I love so much. I love, you can obviously see it, just it's just there, but it is not a big in-your-face pendant, which yeah, I just did not want at all. I love that you can adjust the chain, and for each, if you're wearing a different outfit and you want the necklace a bit shorter or a bit longer, I absolutely love that. And I actually have changed the length quite a few times. And this is something, as I said, I have worn constantly. I wear it in the shower. I don't know if you're meant to, but I just don't take it off because I don't want something that I have to put on and off. Unless I'm fake tanning, then I definitely take it off. But yeah, absolutely love it so much. It is just the perfect thing that I was thinking that I wanted. And as I said, it's just ticked every box, and the whole experience of shopping in store I cannot recommend enough. So if you're looking for a gift or anything like that, I cannot recommend this company high enough. Also pricing, I don't think I told you pricing. So on their website currently, these retail for $59. I actually picked this up on sale, so I got it for $47.20. 20 cents. Yeah, $47.20. So they do have sales every now and again from what I understand, and I have seen sometimes they have like a free gift with purchase, so even better. But if you've heard of this brand, if you've tried this brand, let me know your thoughts. If you have anything, let me know your thoughts. I will definitely shop there again. I absolutely love the quality and the products and all of that. So thank you guys so much for watching. As always, I will see you in my next video very soon. Thanks again.